Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Webull. Open the Webull app and sign in, then enable cryptocurrency trading in settings if needed. Fund your account using ACH or instant transfer, then go to markets and search the coin you want. Review the price chart, choose market or limit order, enter the amount in dollars, and confirm the purchase. Keep security tight with two-factor authentication and a strong password. Create or verify your Webull account and complete identity verification to trade crypto. Link a bank account or debit card and allow a few days for ACH funding or use instant deposit for faster trades. Familiarize yourself with order types, chart tools, and position sizing before buying. Start small to learn execution, monitor fees, and set alerts for price movements. Consider withdrawing large holdings to a private wallet for long-term storage. To place a buy order, pick the cryptocurrency and tap Buy, then choose Market or Limit Order and enter the dollar amount or coin quantity. Review the estimated fees and total cost before submitting the order and double-check the network if withdrawing. Use limit orders to control price and consider dollar cost averaging for volatility. Keep a trade log to review performance and refine your strategy over time consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.